Hey guys, Zara here, checking back in with you. Hope all is well. It's 11:02, getting closer to the twilight zone. But I wanted to enter here, and I see that we are now dropping. Here we go. Sell stop, guys, right there. See that? Sell stop. No, we're not in yet. About to get triggered in right below that wick. Right below that wick is my entry. If we break that line, I'll explain the trade here in a moment. Then I will be in, risking 30 to make 30. Here we go. Sell stop order. I will explain this, although it might be fairly self-explanatory. And I'm in, guys. I'm in now. Short the Dow. Short the Dow. It's a zone reversal trade. It's actually fairly self-explanatory. Rejected here, created a new zone. I actually had another trade here. A nice 30-point win on the way down, and I'm taking another one after this consolidation that you see in here. This is a 2-minute chart, by the way, so if we move it over to a 1, you'll see this lasted a lot longer than the 2-minute candles would indicate. Looking for this to drive down now for 30 points. Zone reversal. The daily is up in the top left hand side. You'll see that we had broken into new lows here and then rejected. So the dip buyers came in and bought that up. And that was earlier today, of course. Big rally on the New York Open, while the NASDAQ sold off and then S&P kind of went sideways. That was an interesting configuration. Looking for one more big push here, guys. This could be a fairly quick trade, hopefully at the very least. We'll see. One more push. You think we can get this? It'd be a shame for this to be bought up now, although it looks like that's what's happening here. Let's see if we can do this. One more push down. For another 30-point win. Third trade of the day. Zone reversal. This is my second short on the zone reversal. The one was a pre-zone reversal, and you can watch the video on that. Be the one beside this one. This one is a full-blown trend continuation zone reversal. In other words, we're already well into the reversal here for this one. But again, given this consolidation, this kind of a nice wedge sort of look here, really a contracting pattern. And the break of that is where I'm taking it here. You can see we're being bought up here, so that's not very friendly, is it? Stay with us though. Let me show you the three sisters. You can see that we got weakness on all three. We had, I should say. Not so much anymore. Now we're getting that buy up. It's flipping a little bit here. Not enough. Now, very often on a move like that, I'll move my stop to break even. I didn't today, and so far that's saved me from being stopped out of break even, but this could end up being a loss instead. We'll see how this pans out. Not loving that's a big buy up. So what looked like might be a very quick trade, it has not become a quick trade at all. You see that there? This is a 1-minute chart. I just split it so you can really see what's happening here on the micro scale. Three sisters, tapping VWAP, tapping VWAP, and we are above VWAP here on the Dow, the strongest of the three. Being patient. I'll put you on pause for now, guys. Just being faithful to the model. Now stop to break even. Stop is to break even. Waiting for the push down. I'll put you back on the 2-minute chart. Just going to move this back. My stop is still a break even. I just want to move the marker back because it looks nicer, where you can see the relationship between win and loss, but it's at break even now. So if we get back to that white line, I will be stopped out at break even. Just want to make that clear. Patience. It's 11:09. Moving towards the close of Frankfurt here in about 20 minutes. Put you on pause for now. See if we can get a nice momentum push here down into towards the close of Frankfurt. Show you the three sisters. They are cooperating a little bit here, below VWAP, and then Dow just holding up here. Just wants to go sideways, right? And that's what we're contending with here now. There's a little push down. Sort of. These days of low VIX, well under 20, as a matter of fact, under 15, on some days under 14. There's a lot of waiting around in trades like this, and just being prepared to sit a little bit. VIX is at 15.3 currently. So again, well below 20. 20 is like that sweet spot in my experience for day trading and scalping. Anything under 20 becomes more challenging. Anything under 18 becomes very challenging. And under 16 or 15, the vast majority of day traders lose money in that environment. Not every trade, of course, not every day, not every week, but overall they typically do. In my experience, can't prove that, but I've been around long enough to see enough of a cross-section to really be able to make that statement with a fair degree of confidence. Patience. Patience, the name of the game in this environment. And I struggle with it, like most people do. Doesn't matter how long you've been trading, you just kind of want to get the trade over with, win or lose. Ideally win. It's a preference, right? The sitting, the meandering, the sluggish and sloppy behavior That's why I often put the video on pause while prices are grinding, so you don't have to sit through it. I think I'll do that right now for you, and then I'll bring you back. Three Sisters. Again, very grindy. Pause. And there it is, guys. Patience paid off. I had to wait for this, though, didn't I? Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support, for clicking the like button, and for saying hi in the comments if you don't mind. Have an amazing afternoon. We'll talk soon. Take care now.